Hello, in this video we will show the loaded packages in R. You can show this list where search function. So we go to RStudio. So we load this RStudio first time, and for example we can use search. So these packages are loaded automatically when you start RStudio. And you can see this is a global environment. This is, if no other package is loaded, I will search the functions inside this environment. And these packages are also loaded. So if you want to use one function, I will find the latest loaded package. So this function will be used. So say if two functions from two packages loaded have the same name, so only one function will be used and other functions will be masked. For example, if we load one package, in additional, I will use library a package name ggplot2, for example. So we load this package, but no any functions collect with other packages, right? But if we load one more, for example, mice, so you can see the following objects are masked from package base cbind, rbind. So these two functions have the same name from the function inside the mice. So these two functions from other packages will be masked. But if you want to use functions from these packages, you can use base cbind with a 2 column, right? So even this package is not loaded, you can also use this kind of function from one masked or one not loaded packages, right? So this is the mechanism of R's package environment systems. But if you just use cbind, now this function comes from the mice. Thanks for watching.